this video, I'm going to talk about 3 things that you can start doing now or look into now so that you can have free travel stays after our current situation. Featuring my mom's restroom. The toilet is right there. And I apologize for any weird noises any of the pipes around me will be making, but I'll try not to talk while they are doing their thing. My first thing is to make and establish a couch surfing account, because when me and my friend Stephanie from my France study abroad, we try to go to Amsterdam and we try to use that, and we immediately just made an account and then messaged a bunch of people that offered homes in Amsterdam, and they all rejected us. But I understand, because why would they want to let someone into their house while they're there when they have no profile picture and just seem sketchy? They have no idea who you are. So right now my suggestion would be to get your profile to reflect who you really are, so that they have a sense of trust for you through the internet, and they would be more willing to allow you to sleep on their couch. Later, you're going to have to personalize each request to the house owner you want to stay with, but right now you can just work on your side of the site so that they'll have a better idea of who you are and whether or not they would want you in their house. I recently learned about house sitting, and I've looked into a couple of sites, but the most popular one is trustedhousesitters.com. I'll link it down below. The TikTok that showed me how people were house sitting instead of just talking about house sitting will be inserted now.
How to get free housing while you travel. When I first found out that people were house sitting, my first 2 thoughts were, that's amazing. How? It must have been some sort of special situation where they had a rich friend that needed someone to house sit for them. But guys, I know this is true because I've tried it myself. So you're gonna go to this website. This is what it looks like. You're gonna create a profile and then click on find a house sit. Click on dates. Click on duration. You can house sit for 1 day or 6 months. Then click on a listing.
You'll have to pay to apply to this website, but there are others like it. I haven't had too much time to explore this, especially this week, because I started promoting my blog, which you can find below. It's taken more time than I expected. You want to be as safe as possible when you're living in someone else's home, even if they're not there, because various things, but I low-key am kind of scared that there's a hidden room or something and there might be someone staying in it and you don't even know. So comment which movie you've seen that in. You can also look into WWOOF, which is spelled WWOOF. I'll also link it down below. And what you'll be doing there is living and working at an organic farm, which promotes a sustainable lifestyle. And I don't know too much about it. I only know about it because I thought that was a house sitting site. But after looking into it a little bit for this video, it really just seems like another cool opportunity to live abroad. It's gonna be different per farm, but outside of work hours, you can look into traveling, or honestly, it's just a good opportunity to explore local life in a new destination. If you or anyone you know is in need of some marketing help, freelance marketing, hit me up, because I am looking for some clients in August. I specialize in SEO writing, so if a YouTube video or website wants to show up in search results in Google or YouTube, I can do that. But I can also do some graphic design work and social media, content creation, strategy, anything. I'll leave my email below to contact me. If you want to follow along my journey to becoming a digital nomad, I just posted my first digital nomad diary, which is just going to show my progress towards this dream I have. I have some social distancing videos coming out in destinations that aren't my house, so subscribe for that and like this video if you are going to consider any of these new ways to find stays.